All right, today I'm gonna show you how to clean your washing machine. This is a Whirlpool washing machine, but this shows you how to clean just a washing machine in general. Right here, I have Affresh, which is a washing machine cleaner. All right, so right here, I have my Whirlpool front-loading washing machine, and there's the drum in there. I'm going to show you how to do it. So this right here is Affresh. What happens is this comes with these tablets. As you can see, I'm going to pull one out. Their tablets and located in here. All right, as you see right here on the back of the box of Affresh, I'll leave a link in the description part of the page for this right here. It shows you what to do. It says remove clothing or other items from washer. Place one tablet into the tub. Do not place in the dispenser. That's very important. Place it right in the tub. And for washers with a clean washer cycle, select that. This Whirlpool actually has a clean washer with Affresh, which just so happens to be this right here. All right, so the rest of the instructions are and run the cycle washer cycle. Now, if you don't have a clean washer cycle, select the longest and hottest selection on your washing machine. For the directions for non-HE washers is on there, as well as HE washers. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip forward. Here are the tablets that come in this. I already have one out right here, as you can see. And I'm just going to place this within the washer. All right, it's in the washer. Just put it down in the drum. Shut the washer. If you have a clean wash cycle, select that. All right, so I selected that. And then I am going to start. As you can see, the clean with Affresh mode is on and it is working right now. You can see the suds from the Affresh tablet going right here. You see all of that? It is actually cleaning the tub.